Hey guys, what's going on? It's Dr. Linz here, and today we're gonna do a review for you. Some awesome leggings we're gonna review. I'm gonna tell you all about the deets here. Before I get into it, do not forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another review video, especially with the holidays coming up here. All right, and some other helpful health tips too. Okay, so before I get into it, because I always forget this, my stats. I am 5'3", 145. I have a smaller waist, bigger hips. So I have these beautiful colored leggings in my hand. What the heck are they? These are the Lululemon high-rise pant with pockets, the 25-inch. That's what I have on here in the side videos, and I'm gonna tell you about these. So the normal Align pant, I personally love the normal Align pant. They're very buttery smooth, they're lightweight, you can wear them out, you can also do workouts in them if you please. So I wanted to compare these ones with pockets because, you know, we all love pockets. So with this color here, before I forget to mention it, it is Maldives green. And as soon as I pulled it out of the package, I go, oh, this color is so pretty. It's really bright, vibrant. I mean, honestly, you could wear this during the summer. You could also wear this around the holiday time because it is like a mix of a tealy green color. So I really love the color as soon as I pulled it out of the package. Highly recommend. You could wear it with a nice white sweatshirt like I have on in the video. All right, so let's go ahead and go over the features here. Now, when I first put the pant on, of course, they're buttery smooth. This is a size 4. I wear a size 4 in the normal pant, Align pant, and I felt like they fit the same. I was at first like, it feels a little bit tighter, but you know, it felt about the same to me. So sizing wise, fits the same here. The second thing I noticed that I was unsure about, and I had to look at the photos on Lulu to see where the seam met on the outside of the leg. The outside of the leg seam, it kind of comes down straight on your thigh and then goes down and hugs around the lower calf area. I found that to be kind of weird because I was like, wait, does it go this way? Does it go that way? Is it supposed to be straight? Is it supposed to be curved? So I had to look online real quick before I showed you guys to see how the models were wearing it on there, and it does curve back. So essentially, you line up the seam on the inside of your leg, make that straight, and then the outside will be kind of curved, if that makes sense. So that was kind of weird. Number 3 thing, I thought I was unsure how I felt about the look, but I love the way they feel so much. I was like, I'm just being picky here, is with the pocket. First of all, pockets are nice and deep. You could fit phone, you could fit keys. Heck, you could fit a little diaper in the side pocket too if you wanted. The thing that I thought was kind of weird is that the back seam of the pocket comes straight down and stops mid-thigh. I think usually with pocket leggings, the seam comes in and it angles in and meets with the other seam. So it's kind of just left hanging there. It's lonely, it's chilling. I thought, hey, that looks kind of weird, but something you're probably not going to notice if you're not trying to like look at all the detail in the leggings. And I think doing that makes the pocket a little bit bigger too, wider at the base. So that's kind of nice to have more storage in those pockets. As you can imagine, they are high-waisted, so that is why I like them. They do hold you in nice and tight, you know, and then as you wear them, they do start to form to your body a little bit, which makes it nice. Alrighty, let's move to the back side. So the back is going to be different to me compared to the normal Aligns without pockets. So number 1, there's going to be a pocket in the back. And I was actually surprised when I stuck my hand in the back pocket. It is a deep pocket. It's like the whole band, the whole waistband here. And then it's also pretty wide. So you can put whatever you like there as well in that back pocket. Another thing that I felt was a little bit different with these leggings with pockets compared to the other lines is that there's a nice small V up in the glutes, in the booty there. So it V's up a little bit, I think, when I put them on. And so I like that feature because it does help accentuate the glutes, which is nice when you're working hard, you know, or, you know, you just want some leggings that accentuate the glutes a little bit, the booty. Makes you feel real good. So that's something that I really like that they did there. And if it is different, my feeling is different here, is right, it'd be awesome if they could do that with the normal Aligns, create a little bit of a V up. That'd be awesome. So with the Aligns with pocket compared to the normal Aligns, these are a little bit more pricey. I do feel as though they have more features. Obviously, they got the pocket on the side and the pocket on in the back. So I understand why they are priced differently. They are similar fabrics. They use that new Lulu fabric, which makes them buttery smooth. So, you know, that's always a consideration when you are getting Lululemon. Now for me, the reason why I personally like Lululemon is that I feel like it's quality and they last me. So I have my Align pants for years and years and years and they never go out of style. So hopefully this helps you take a further look at the pockets, the lines with pockets, because I was curious about them. I'll link these up below. They does help support me if you guys would like to get a pair and we could be twinsies. All right, we'll talk to you guys next time. Let me know if you need anything.